My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications related to the website Alphabet.click. This website Alphabet.click is totally deceptive. You should not interact with it. Do not install anything that these pop-ups might suggest. In the majority of the cases, these pop-ups try to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly to help them continue their browsing, but it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow. This would immediately hijack the browser with a lot of pop-ups that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications. So pay careful attention to all these sites allowed to send notifications. Remove all these junk sites if you find them. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.